Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 3 subject English. The thought for today is We Rise by Lifting Others, written by Robert Ingersoll. So, we rise by lifting others means we should help others whenever they need us. We should never leave anyone in trouble. Helping others is really a good thing. So always you should help others. That is the meaning of this thought. Now, the instructions I want to give you that I give you every time before we start. Go to sleep early and get up early. You have to brush your teeth 2 times in the morning and at night. Wash your hands before and after meal. Then avoid junk food means you should not eat junk food. You should do exercise regularly and take bath every day. Go to school on time means you have to watch the videos on time. Be attentive in the classroom. In our today's video, we will cover lesson 9 and 10. So, what are we going to do? I will give the revision of the previous video. We will solve FA4 paper. You have just appeared the test and you know that the test was really very easy. So, we will discuss the answers. You will check whether your answers were correct and we will solve some interesting worksheets as we had done in the previous video. So let us begin. So in your rough book, you have to give the same heading, chapter 9 and 10, solving FA4 paper. We are going to solve FA4 paper in our today's video. So this should be your heading. Now, let us solve the paper. The first question in your paper was multiple choice questions. It carried 2 marks, means 1 mark each, as one question carried 1 mark. So the first question, in the story A Dream Come True, whom was Sarah reading about? So we know that Sarah was reading something. Whom was she reading about? So options: a kind-hearted girl, a rich princess, a spoiled brat, or a royal mare. So Sarah was reading about a kind-hearted girl. Which option is that? Option A, a kind-hearted girl. Right? That was from lesson 9. Then the second one was from lesson 10. In the story of Tenali Rama and the 3 dolls, how did the 3 dolls look? See, just an example is shown over here. Like this, the 3 dolls were in the story of Tenali Rama and 3 dolls. So, how did they look? Options: old, beautiful, cure, identical. How did the dolls look? See, do you notice they look same? They look same. So, here the fourth option is identical. Identical means same. The 3 dolls in this story, they looked identical. They looked the same. So, that was the answer of MCQ number 2. And I hope that you have written the correct answer. You have marked it correctly. So, meanwhile, we are discussing the answers. What are you going to do? You have to solve this paper for one time. As we are solving this paper solution, you have to solve this paper for one time. So, write the question and answer as well. Right now, the second question was give meanings. There were around 4 meanings which you had to mark and that carried 4 marks. Right? Now, let us read it and mark the correct answer for it. Number 1. Figure out. figure out. The options were find out, sort out. So the correct answer over here is find out. Figure out means find out. Tenali Rama figured out the difference among the three dolls. So he figured out the difference means that he found out the difference. He found out. So first is the correct option. After that, meaning number 2 was break. See, B-R-E-A-K, break. So the options given were busy time or free time. Now, we know that the answer for this is option number 2, free time. And I had also explained while we had read the notes of lesson 9. In that I had told you break means it is like your recess time. When you get recess in the school, you are free. You are free to eat. You are free to have your lunch. You are free to play. So that is your free time. In your break time, you can relax and you can do anything you like. So that is free time. Then question number 3 was kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. So that we saw in lesson 9 that Sarah was a kind-hearted girl, right? We saw that Sarah was a kind-hearted girl. So was she useless or helpful? What is the answer over here? Kind-hearted means the second option, helpful. H-E-L-P-F-U-L, helpful. Kind-hearted means helpful. Then question number 4 was identical. I-D-E-N-T-I-C-A-L, identical. Now in this lesson number 10, again here is the image of the 3 dolls you can see. So how did the 3 dolls look? They looked identical. So the options given were different or same. Were they looking different or did they look same? So the answer is same. Identical, same. Identical, same. Do write the answers. I will just show from number 1, figure out, find out, break, free time, kind-hearted, helpful, identical, same. Now, do you know what was the next question? The next question given was give one word. There were in total 3 give one word and carried 1 mark each. So in total, give one word carried 3 marks. Now let us read the questions of the given word one by one and mark the correct answer. Number 1, someone who competes against you. Someone who competes against you means suppose you are playing a game and the person who is playing in the opposite team, the person who is not in your team, what is that person called? The person who is there in the opponent's team is called an opponent. The word itself is given. The options were courtiers and opponent. Here the answer is opponent. The person who competes against you, who is not there in your team but in the opposite team of yours. O-P-P-O-N-E-N-T, opponent. O-P-P-O-N-E-N-T, opponent. The next question, number 2, in that was a series of events that you see only in your mind while you are asleep. So when you see some images in your mind when you are sleeping, mostly at night we see these images while we are sleeping, while we go into deep sleep. We see something, a series of images in our mind, something we see, we can just say we imagine that. So what is that imagination called? Is it dream or is it reality? Is it dream or is it reality? So that is called a dream. When you close your eyes and when you go to sleep, sometimes you see a dream in your sleep. Reality is something when you open your eyes, what you see really happening in front of your eyes, that is reality. But when you are sleeping and you see something, that is your dream. Then, number 3 was a female member of a royal family, usually the daughter of a king or queen. So, here you can see the image. This is female, means a girl. She can be the daughter of a king, the daughter of a queen, and she belongs to a royal family. Royal means the family where king or queen lives, or the king or queen had lived in the past. That kind of family is called royal family. So, what is this girl called who belongs to a royal family, who is the daughter of the king or queen? She is called princess. 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 So these were the 3 give one word questions, carried 3 marks. After that, do you remember what was the question in your paper? After give one word, we had fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. As you can see, there were 3 fill in the blanks in your paper that were asked for 1 mark each. In total, it carried 3 marks. Let us read fill in the blanks from number 1 and then mark the answer. Number 1, the merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked dash. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. So I am going to mark the answer for you. Let's mark the answer, that is identical. See, I have underlined the answer. You have to write it in the blank. Number 2, one day a dash came to King Krishna Devaraya's court. Who came to the king's court? Here the answer was given in the first sentence itself. See, the answer is here, merchant. So, the first option. Who came one day? A merchant had come. Merchant means a businessman. One day, a merchant came to King Krishna Devaraya's court. Why did he come? He had come to test the wisdom of the ministers of the king. Then, number 3, the king got dash and called Tenali Rama. The king got dash and he called Tenali Rama. So, what happened to the king? Did he get happy or sad? He got worried. Worried means he was afraid and he was thinking what to do. When you are worried, you are afraid, means you start thinking what to do. So even the king got worried. He was afraid that what would happen if the ministers were not able to find the answer. So Tenali Rama came and then he solved the mystery. So these were the 3 answers: identical, merchant and worried. The 3 answers for the 3 blanks. After filling the blanks, do you remember what was the question in your paper? So after filling the blanks, there was the question of true or false. And how many true or false were there? There were 3, carried 1 mark each. In total, 3 marks. Now, let's read number 1. Tenali Rama was asked to solve the mystery at last. So, was Tenali Rama asked to solve the mystery? Was he given the task of solving the mystery finally? Yes, the answer is true. Means the sentence given above is correct sentence, because when all other ministers failed to find the answer, the king called Tenali Rama and the king asked him to solve the mystery. Then, number 2, Sarah offered to teach Reena. In the story, a dream come true. So, in this story, lesson number 9, we read the story, a dream come true. Did Sarah say to Reena that I will teach you? Is it true? So the answer is false, because Sarah just helped Reena. Sarah told her father to teach Reena, but Sarah herself did not teach Reena. Here it is given, Sarah offered to teach Reena, means Sarah said to Reena, I will teach you. So that is false. Sarah actually told her father and father taught Reena. Then, number 3, Reena was able to write within a few months. In the story, a dream come true. So this is Reena. Was she able to write quickly? Means after Sarah's father started teaching her, did she write within a few months? Did she learn how to write and read just within a few months of time? So yes, it was true that she learnt how to write within a few months, means in very less time she learned how to write, and she was really happy that Sarah helped her by telling her father. So these were the 3 answers of true or false. As you can see, here it was true, then it was false, and the third one was true. After true or false, there was the question of complete the following, CF. In short, if you say complete the following, it carried 1 mark each. Total there were 2, and so it carried 2 marks. The answers I have already written over here. So let us read, and also you may check whether have you written the correct answers or not. Number 1, in the third doll, the wire entered the heart and dash. In the third doll, the wire entered the heart and did not come out. Did not come out. In the third doll, the wire entered the heart, it went inside the heart and dash. So the answer is did not come out. Number 2, in the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came dash out through the mouth. Out through the mouth. See, this is the first doll. The wire went inside through the ear and it came out from ear out through the mouth. It came out through the mouth. So these were the 2. Complete the following sentences in the given paper. Then, as you know, the last question in your paper was question and answers. How many were there? There were 3 question answers, again carried 1 mark each, and total there were 3, so it carried 3 marks. Now let us read the question answers and check whether it is correct or not. First one, who was Tenali Rama? Do you know who was he? Who was Tenali Rama? Answer is, Tenali Rama was the intelligent minister in King Krishna Devaraya's court. This is the answer. Tenali Rama was the intelligent minister in King Krishna Devaraya's court. We know that he was intelligent, he was really smart, and he worked for King Krishna Devaraya. Here you should have written K and K capital. Also you have written T and R capital, I suppose, because all these are proper nouns. And also the spelling of intelligent, INTE, ILLIGENT, intelligent. Question number 2, What dream did Reena have? Reena had a dream one night. What was that dream? What did she see in the dream? Reena had a dream that she was reading. What was Reena's dream? Reena had a dream that she was reading. This kind of dream she had. Like she was sleeping one night and suddenly she saw some series of events happening, and that was dream that she was reading. Then question number 3, the last question was, what did Reena learn? What did Reena learn? Reena learned to read, write, and count and add. All these things she learned: read, write, count, and add. All these things were taught by Sarah's father to Reena. So she learned it: reading, writing, counting, and adding. Reena learned all these things. So here we complete the paper solution for FA4. Now we shall continue with the worksheets of grammar which we had left in the previous video. We were solving the worksheet of lesson 13, kinds of adjectives. In that we had solved all these worksheets in the previous video. Right? I hope you remember the answers for all these. Then I had given from 17 to 24 in homework. So today I will give the answers for this 17 to 24. I hope you have solved it and now you have the answers with you. Those who have done the homework, it is very good. I appreciate them. So please check your answers. Here it should be dash my toy soldiers I like to play most. Dash my toy soldiers I like to play most. So there are two, means more than one. It is plural and they are near. See, they are not far. So they are near and they are two. So what do we write? THESE. These are. The answer should be these are. I will put the answer over here so that you can check the answer and you can write it. You have to see whether the answers were correct or not. Dash Mike's tortoise Iggy. Dash Mike's tortoise Iggy. See, this is a cute little tortoise. His name is Iggy. And it is only one. It is also near the hand. It is near and it is only one. So for that, what do we write? This, THIS. And it is only one. So this is Mike's tortoise and his name is Iggy. Then dash beautiful butterflies that are flying over me. More than two butterflies. More than two butterflies. And they are near. Just like this one. They are near. Here the butterflies are also near. So the answer should be same like the first one. These are the butterflies, beautiful butterflies that are flying over me. These are beautiful butterflies. Dash my leather belt I won with jeans yesterday. Dash my leather belt I won with jeans. See, this is the leather belt and it is far, it is not near. Here the answer is that is my leather belt I won with jeans yesterday. Next, dash Maggie's keyring she lost last week. See, this is Maggie's keyring and how many? Only one. And it is also near. See, it is near the hand. It is only one. So just like this, what should be the answer? This is Maggie's keyring lost last week. Dash my favorite teddy. Dash my favorite teddy. So teddy is far from the hand and it is only one. So when it is far and it is only one, do we write that is my favorite teddy. that is. Next, dash blue envelopes I am going to use today. See, envelopes are two, means more than one. And are they near or far? They are far and they are more than one. So we write those. Those are blue envelopes I am going to use today. Those are blue envelopes. Dash my mom's handbag I gave her last Christmas. Dash my mom's handbag. So the handbag is only one, it is singular and it is also near. So when it is singular and it is near, we use this, THIS. This is my mom's handbag I gave her last Christmas. So I hope you have checked the answers and you have got all the correct answers now. Now let us solve one more exercise. Choose the correct option from the given options. See, you can see the motorbikes, yellow color, beautiful motorbikes are shown over here. So dash my motorbikes. Dash my motorbikes. They are two. It is not one. So these are or this is. What should be the correct answer? Number 1 or number 2? The correct answer is number 1. These are, THESE, as motorbikes are 2, not 1. Number 2, dash my train. See, train you can see over here. It is only one train. It is only one, not more than one. So when it is one, we write THIS. This is my train. This is my train. It is only one train, singular. Then number 3, dash my plane. Dash my plane. So here the plane is also one, right? And it is singular. So we write THIS. This is my plane. This is my plane. Number 4, dash my cars. Dash my cars. Cars are 4. They are more in number. So THESE, these. These are my cars. Option number 1. These are my cars. Then next exercise we have choose the correct possessive adjective. See, options are given. My, his, her, your, our, their, its. Let us write. This is dash bike. See, it is about a boy. So what answer do we write? His bike, because we are writing about a boy. His bike. Dash bike is pink. Whose bike is pink? My bike is pink. So the first option, my bike. The girl says, my bike is pink. This is dash bone. See, dog is holding the bone. So bone, what do we write? Its, because bone, it is non-living thing. So we write its, ITS. This is its bone. Then next, look at dash doll. So doll is the girl's doll. So for a girl, we write her. Look at her doll. Next, dash new car is blue. Dash new car is blue. See, there are so many people. It is plural. So we write their, THEIR. Their blue car is new. That is dash house. So the family says that house is our house. It is our house. So that is our house, the family says. Is this dash lollipop? Yes, it is my lollipop. So the boy is asking the girl, is this your lollipop? Then girl says, yes, it is my lollipop. So the boy asks the question with your. So here we complete our today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We solved the paper, FA4 paper solution I gave. You have to write this one time. And also the exercises that we solved, have to be written one time. Thank you. Have a nice day.